Hello my dear friends, how are you all? This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this super delicate and super beautiful laces. And using these laces we can create boxes, scrapbooks, envelopes, and there are many more things which you can create. So I am showing you how to create flowers, this box as well. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So here I am taking this beautiful mold. This is a lace mold and I have given link in description box if you want to purchase this. And now I am going to show you how to create the paste which we are going to fill inside the mold. So here I am taking the mixed media paste by Little Birdie. Take a good amount of paste first. The surface I am using is glass in the base, so I am directly taking the paste on the glass, but you can also use any plate or any bowl. Now the quantity which we have taken clay, same quantity we have to take the glue. Now mix both the things very well. Then I am taking white acrylic color by Filigree. You can also use camel acrylic colors and mix everything very well. So the smooth paste is ready. Now using the palette knife, fill the mold firmly in one direction. Starting from the corner, just push the clay very well because the design is very intricate and the clay should go on each and every part. So similar way, just complete it till the end. So it's done. Allow it to dry for 24 hours. So I have just kept it for one day and it's completely dried. Now here I am taking wet tissue and just rubbing it over the design after drying it completely, so that the excess clay which are stuck inside the design will get removed by this process. So you just need to clean each and every part of design using wet wipes. So it's done. I have kept it for 15 minutes after applying wet wipe for the drying process, and now it's completely dried. So just peel the design from corner very delicately because the lace is very delicate and intricate, so you have to be very careful. Just open it little bit from the corner and now just rotate your mold on the base and start peeling it like this. So just push your one hand on lace and pull the mold slowly in one direction like this. And yoo-hoo, our lace is ready. It's looking very nice and very gorgeous. Can you see the intricacy of the lace? And in this way you can create your own combinations to create backgrounds for your cards or scrapbooks. Now it's time to make the box. So here I am taking this base which measures 30 by 18 centimeters, and from left side I have scored on 2, 4, 26 and 28 centimeters. Now just rotate your sheet and score at 2, 4, 14 and 16 centimeters. Now here can you see the corner? So I will just show you how to cut this. So first cut the first line till the second scored line. Similarly, cut the second line as well. Now chop up this corner like this, and also cut one square like this, so that we'll get one flap to construct the box. In the same way, I will repeat it on remaining sides. And this is done. Now I'm just folding all the crease parts and constructing my box. First add little glue on the bigger flap and just stick it like this by folding it. Similarly, do on other side. Then add glue on these folded flaps and this upper flap as well, and then just connect it like this, so it will get the box shape automatically. Similarly, repeat on other side. And your box is ready. Now to create box cover, I am taking one more sheet which measures 26.2 by 22.3 centimeters, and I have scored at 2, 12.2, 14.2 and 24.5 centimeters. Fold all the crease lines. I am taking here 250 GSM thick cardstock, or you can say thick sheet. Now I'm just adding glue on this small folded part and stick it like this. So the cover is ready. Now you can easily slide your box inside this like this. Very easy. So box is ready. Now here I am taking one piece of acetate sheet or OHP sheet which is having same size as the top, and on top and bottom I have added double-sided tacky tape to stick this with the base. You can skip this step, but after adding the lace, acetate sheet gives very nice shiny effect in the background. So at least once you can try this process and see how beautifully it will enhance the beauty of your project. Just burnish the tacky tape and this is done. Now to hide the top and bottom tacky tape strip, I have added one more tacky tape strip on the same part, and I am just sticking golden color paper strip on top and bottom. Just cut the excess strip and this is done. Then it's time to stick our beautiful intricate lace which we have created. So just adding glue on back side of the lace. So you just need to add some dots here and there. Don't add too much glue. And then I'm going to stick this with the base. After drying, we will cut the excess lace from left and right sides. Now it's time to make the flowers. So I have some pre-cut flower cutouts in daisy. This is a 12 petal flower. If you want to learn how to create this flower, I have given link in description box where you can learn how to cut this flower by your own. And then I am coloring this flower using pink peony and dark pink color archival shades. You can also use acrylic colors if you don't have archivals. So half portion of the flower I am using light pink, and for half portion I am using dark pink. Color the flower from both sides, that is from the front and from the back. Now to color small flower I am using chrome yellow archival ink, and again I am coloring only half petals of the flower. To color leaf I am using leaf green and cobalt blue. So coloring is done. Now I am just sprinkling some water on this using my spray bottle. Tap the excess water using tissue paper. And then I am taking my embossing pad and I will start embossing all the flowers and leaves using Groove Golf tool. Just rotate the flower and pinch in the center using ball tool. So you have to take the ball tool size according to the size of the flower. Then I will just layer this big flower. And in the center I am adding little glue first and then adding some white color flower pearls. Like this, allow it to dry. And for small flower I am just passing one white color wire pollen through this. Just add little glue and secure it. In the same way I have created two more small flower with the same process. Some leaves and some filler flowers. So the flowers and leaves are ready. Now take back your box and here I am adding congratulations sentiment in the center. And then I will decorate one corner of the box using my handmade flowers. So this is done and it's looking super gorgeous, isn't it? I'm just loving the outcome. You can put chocolates, any gift item inside the box, and I'm sure you will try this very soon. And your hands are itching right now, I know. So I'm just showing you some more laces which I have created using different molds. And can you see how intricate each and every mold's designs are looking? So just try it out once, and all the supply links are given in description box. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.